Good evening, Theme Park Review. We are here at Disney's Animal Kingdom for the new After Hours event. From 8:30 to 11:30, we will get the park completely to ourselves. You can actually enter the event at as early as 7 o'clock, but from 8:30 to 11, there's going to be nobody here, and it's going to be awesome. So we're in the event while the park is still currently open to guests, and the line for Flight of Passage is currently 160 minutes. We're going to see what that line is during the After Hours event when all these people go home. All right, it's 10:30. We're in the last hour of the Disney After Hours party here at Animal Kingdom, and Flight of Passage is 5 minutes. So we're going to see how many times we could ride this in an hour. All right, so here we are in the Flight of Passage queue, and you can see there's not a lot of people in here, which is not something you see very often. All righty, it's not very often you see absolutely nobody in this line. Well, okay, not absolutely nobody, there's like 6 people.
You'll be able to link to that avatar and fly.
All right, so we were on and off of the ride in about 20 minutes. Now we're gonna go for ride number 2.
Round 2?
Oh, round 2.
All right, let's go.
Can everyone see me? Great.
All right, here we go. Ride number 2.
Holding on to the hand grip.
All right, so we're going for ride number 3 in an hour on Flight of Passage.
We're at number 3?
We're at number 3. Let's do it.
We gotta hit 5. Let's go.
I'm the only person right now on Flight of Passage at Animal Kingdom, and this is why the after-hour parties are awesome. Look at this. Nobody else is here. I'm in the room all by myself. I love it. Okay, please stand on my number, but I could stand on any number because I am the only person in here right now.
We establish a link using powerful psionic amplification equipment. A human driver is connected to an avatar, which could be physically hundreds of kilometers away.
All right, so we're gonna take either 8 or 9 because we'll be right in the middle, right? And I just want to point out that I am currently the only person on Flight of Passage right now, which does not happen very often. So that's why we recommend these Disney After Hour parties. All right, so in 1 hour, we managed to get in 3 rides on Flight of Passage, which is pretty much unheard of, right, guys?
Yeah!
Awesome.
Well done.
All right, so we're about to walk through the Expedition Everest queue. So you can see the queue for Expedition Everest is pretty empty right now for After Hours. There's absolutely no waiting in line at all. And that is pretty awesome. So we're gonna take our favorite row here, number 16. I wonder what's going to happen to us next. No, Yeti, don't do it. Don't do it. Oh man, Yeti, every single time. Here we go. Smile for the camera. There we are. Look at that. So during the After Hours event, they do a special viewing of Rivers of Light. And right now they're pretty much showing it to kind of an empty theater. So if you want to check out the Rivers of Light show without having to get a fast pass, without having to wait at any kind of line, this is definitely the night you're going to want to do it. So we're over here in the world of Pandora. And again, this is the After Hours event. And you'll see there are very, very few people around. Looking around, you see a couple people back here. The wait time right now for Flight of Passage is a total of 5 minutes. So this is well worth the price of admission if you want to come and basically have Pandora all to yourselves. And you can see they're still running the shows and everything. Both attractions are open. You can see all of the awesome floating mountains. 5 minutes for Flight of Passage. I don't think there's anything else that sells this event more than saying 5 minutes for Flight of Passage. I should also point out that Na'vi River Journey right now is also only 5 minutes. So right now, both Flight of Passage and the River Journey have a 5-minute wait time during the after hours event here at Animal Kingdom. Another nice bonus of the after hours party is all the Mickey bars you can eat, and you can get soda. Oh, and sandwiches too. Awesome. Chip, do you love this song? This is what dreams are made of. So we're walking over to Dinosaur. And once again, there's nobody here for Disney After Hours Party. Hello, Dinosaur. Hello, attraction.
Flash photography? I wouldn't. It alters the homing signal and that's not good.
Hey, you can see there is not a single person in line for Dinosaur right now as we board the car. Here we go.
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
We're not gonna make it!
You made it!
Yay!
They're still running the Tree of Life projection shows every few minutes during the event. These are a lot of fun. And if you're someone that loves theme park photography, these Disney After Hours events are perfect to be able to set up that shot and get these amazing photos.
So that's the after hours party here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. I had an amazing time. I got 3 rides in on Flight of Passage in that last hour. 3, and that last one I was the only person on the entire ride. Not just my row, but the entire ride, the only person. That is absolutely unheard of. This event is worth every penny. We did all the rides in Pandora, we did Dinosaur, we did Everest, we watched Rivers of Light, we had Mickey Mouse ice cream bars and soda. It's amazing. You have to do these events. Highly recommended.